Well, hi guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the PIXAR CITY1 e-bike. Stay tuned. Okay, so we'll just take a look around this lovely City e-bike, run through all the specifications, then we'll take it for a nice little test ride down to Poole Harbour here in the south of England. So check the price this morning on the website. Currently these are priced at £740, which I think what you're getting here, a level of sort of fit and finish and the way this bike rides is absolutely fantastic value. Really nice quality seamless frame, incorporated integral battery, smooth running rear hub motor, very comfortable all-round bike, so it's really nice specification for the money. I will put the link in the description for you with a discount code. As always, they came very well boxed, very easy to put together. Just put the front wheel in, handlebars, put the front mudguard on, thorough nut and bolt check, pump the tyres and then charge the battery and you're good to go. Comes all the tools, the charger, everything you need to get going. So it takes about 5 hours to charge and it's a 36 volt 10.4 amp hour battery. You're going to get around about 30 miles range out of this. Battery can be charged on the bike or off. You can remove it, I'll show you that in a minute. So all UK EU legal. The compliance sticker is down there, 250 watts. 15.5 miles an hour out of the box, can be unlocked in the menu up there to about 20 miles an hour. It's got 5 power assist levels on the plus and minus buttons there. It does have a walk mode as well to help you go up hills. Hold the plus button for the lights front and rear, which is really nice that it comes with lights. Decent side stand. We've got a nice strong rear rack. You could put your bag on there or your side panniers. Full length plastic mudguards, there's no rattling there. So that makes a really good city commuter, sort of unisex design, step through design there. So to remove the battery, you get 2 keys, insert the key in the side here. And the battery very simply just pops out there. Nice weight to it, feels good quality, 36 volt 10.4 amp hour battery. You can charge on or off the bike. To reinstall, just simply push and click and that's it, done, easy. So it's quite a physically large bike this. I'm 5'7" with a 30-inch inside leg. I've got the seat up about 3 inches. Fits me really nicely. If you're about 5'4", 5'5", you'd still fit this okay, but very suited also for sort of 6 foot and above. There's lots of room here. Nice wide bars, got the nice grips, plenty of room here. Nice cockpit area, very comfortable seat. So ideal for about 5'5" up to about well over 6 foot, I would say. 27.5-inch tyres that roll really well, even on light tracks and trails. Front suspension with a preload and lockout. 7-speed Shimano gears that work really nicely. Shifters are really slick. They index really well straight out of the box. Comes in this grey or black. Cable operated disc brakes with more than enough power for this sort of bike. A little bell. Does come with a throttle in the box as well. That's where you fit it. So looking around the bike, the seamless frame is really nice here. The paintwork's nice. Very comfortable seat, all day riding on that, no problem at all. But if you're after a city commuter that rides really smoothly with decent performance, this is definitely one to have a little look at. So there you are, guys, the PIXAR CITY1 e-bike. Let's take this for a test ride, shall we? Right, we're just down here at the lovely Poole Harbour, my favourite cycleway, and we're taking out the PIXAR CITY1 electric bike. So let's try this out. So nice, decent side stand, very comfortable when you climb aboard, lots of room here. See, I'm 5'7", 30-inch inside leg, fits me well. If you're a bit shorter than me, you'd be okay, and if you're well over 6 foot, again, absolutely fine. Cable operated disc brakes, front suspensions, nice and compliant. The gears work well out of the box. So to turn it on, hold the power button for a few seconds. Nice colour LCD display. So we'll start off in assist level 1. So it's a cadence sensor, so you have to turn the pedals a couple of times. There's the power. So the thing I noticed with this bike is it's very, very quiet. Rolls beautifully with these big wheels. So there's assist level 1 into 2. It's a bit better. Assist level 3. Now we're moving nicely. Assist 4. That's good. And assist 5. Top gear now up to the maximum legal 15 odd miles an hour. These gears work really nicely. So we'll just try these brakes out, front and rear. Full brakes now. They work well. Very loud bell. Lovely padded seat. It's very comfortable. Let's see how the PIXAR handles hills. Currently got it in assist level 1, gear 3, that's quite hard work. Into assist 2, that's better. 250 watt motor out the back. Assist 3, that's getting nice now. 4, better again. So it's long hill, this about a mile long. It's about a 1 in 5, 20%. Assist 5, that's more like it. Gear 5 now, whizzing up here. So the first 3 assist levels, not a lot up hills. 4's getting better. And then 5's really nice now. Sixth gear now, 15 mile an hour, straight up a steep hill. So as you can see, the PIXAR's got good hill climbing ability, so that's great. Right, so how does the PIXAR ride on light tracks and trails? Well, because it's got these big 27.5 tyres and wheels, really, really well. It's got front suspension that's quite supple, nice spacious cockpit, bars are wide, and this rolls really nicely. We're just in assist level 2, 10 miles an hour, which is really nice speed just to be winding down to Poole Harbour. Hasn't got rear suspension, but it still rides really nicely. These big wheels roll over all the bumps. So yeah, this is a very smooth running bike. Assist level 3, a little bit more power up this hill. This is a really nice bike to ride on gravel tracks, so no problem at all. So just cruising along here now, about 15 miles an hour. This bike is really nice. There's no squeaks or rattles. The motor is silent out the back. This would make a great sort of touring bike, commuting. Really, really nice. These big wide bars, lots of control. You've got your rack on the back to put your panniers in your bag. So it's definitely an all-day riding bike, this, nice and comfortable. The drivetrain is really smooth. Handles really nicely. Front brake works well. Front suspension's quite compliant. You know, I think for the money, what you're getting here, decent performance, smooth running, Decent range, around about 30 miles. This would make an exceptionally good bike if you wanted something for sort of touring or commuting on. So anyway, let's have a final thought, shall we, guys? So I hope you enjoyed that review on the PIXAR CITY1 electric bike. A great choice if you wanted to do some city commuting or touring. So let's just run round it again, starting up at the top here. So these nice grips I'm a big fan of, very comfortable for your palms. Cable operated disc brakes work absolutely fine. Don't know if you can see that, but a nice colour LCD display there showing your power assist levels, battery, you've got your lights, walk mode, odometer and trip. So nice little display there. Nice wide bars. The gears are very nicely indexed and work really well. This stem is adjustable for sort of height up and down, so you can set that how you like it. These wheels and tyres are great, they roll really well, still capable of light tracks and trails. It's got a very nice ride quality. Front suspension's decent. Full length plastic mudguards, no rattling or anything anywhere throughout the bike. I love this this frame, sort of seamless design. It's really slick. Incorporated battery that looks great. Around about a 30-mile range out of this. Nice big comfortable seat there. Rear rack for your bag and panniers. Front and rear lights supplied. Decent side stand. Comes with all the tools, the charger. Easy to put together in about an hour. You can remove the battery on the key there. So yeah, for your sort of £740, really nice bike to ride, very smooth, enjoyable bike. So guys, please post your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the PIXAR CITY1 e-bike. Ride safe, and I'll catch you again in a week or so for another two-wheeled review. Bye for now.